Hello. My last tutorial I taught you how to average numbers. In this video I'm going to teach you how to do summing of the numbers. So this is tutorial number 2, sum. Okay, let's say you have a sum. You want to sum these numbers. Guys, remember you should not add a column like that. Then it'll not work. Okay, let's say you want 20. Oh, no. Okay, so let's say you want 23, 45, 67, and 34, and 56. To sum this right here is the easiest part thing, like the average. Equal, sum, and then write these. Just click on this. Wait, yeah. So just get inside here, click on this, and shift over to that, and then write this. 347. That's the real answer for all of these questions. Okay, be back for more videos. Here is BT. Zoom in now. Remember to subscribe to BT for more Excel tutorials.